everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lexus and today I have a special treat for you. I'm going to be making some chocolate chip cookie cheesecake bars. I love chocolate chip cookies and I love cheesecake, so why not put them together? So let's hop right into it. So I soaked a half cup of raw cashews in some hot boiling water for about 30 minutes until they softened up a bit, and I added them into a blender. Now I'm adding 8 ounces of dairy-free cream cheese, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, 1/4 cup plus 3 tablespoons of organic cane sugar, a half teaspoon of vanilla, a pinch of sea salt, and a half teaspoon of lemon juice. You can make your own vegan cookies or you can use these store-bought vegan cookies. These are my absolute favorite. They're so good. So I'm just rolling it out with a rolling pin. And I'm taking about 2/3 of the cookie dough, and I'm going to save that smaller piece for later for the topping, and the larger piece I'm going to place in an 8 by 8 inch pan on top of some parchment paper and just flatten it out. And now I'm adding the cream cheese mixture. And I'm going to take the smaller cookie dough sheet and break off little pieces onto the top. I baked this at 350 for about 35 to 40 minutes. So these have been cooling down for a while. So I'm going to put them in the fridge for about 3 hours just until it's completely chilled. That way it's going to be set and then we can cut into them and eat them. They smell so good too. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. That is it. If you make these, my dishwasher is so loud. If you make these chocolate chip cookie cheesecake bars, then feel free to tag me at NamNamTheFitness on Twitter, on Instagram. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.